If your space looks wide but still feels empty and undefined like this, the problem is not the size. It's the lack of structure and purpose. That's where most people get stuck, figuring out how to define zones, create a focal point, and make everything feel cohesive instead of random. In this video, you'll transform your space step by step through layout, finishes, and furniture, creating a modern contemporary look that feels intentional and well-designed. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. Your living area feels wide but has no clear layout or furniture yet, with a bare fireplace wall, scattered windows, and an open floor plan that makes the space feel empty, undefined, and unfinished despite its size. The goal is to turn this space into something functional, organized, and visually balanced. Start with your base finishes. You can keep the neutral wall color because it helps reflect light and keeps the space bright and clean. For the flooring, using warm wood tones adds warmth and contrast, making the space feel more inviting instead of cold and empty. For the ceiling, keep it clean and simple with recessed lighting so the space feels brighter, more open, and visually balanced without drawing too much attention upward. Now, build your seating area first. Start with a 2-sofa setup using a 3-seater sofa and a 2-seater sofa in a light neutral fabric, positioned to create a clear conversation layout that naturally defines your living zone. Layer both sofas with a mix of pillows in neutral tones and smooth fabrics to add depth without overwhelming the space. At the center, place a round coffee table with a fluted wood base and a light wood top to soften the layout while adding texture and visual interest. Style the tables with simple decor like books and a small plant so the space feels lived in but still organized. Underneath, use a large neutral-toned area rug to anchor the entire seating setup and clearly separate it from the rest of the open floor plan. Add a slim black floor lamp with a curved arm beside the sofa to introduce contrast while providing soft ambient lighting at night. Then add a medium indoor plant near the seating area to introduce greenery and soften the overall look. On the wall behind the sofa, add a white storage console with clean lines and a matte finish to provide storage while keeping the space light and uncluttered. Style the top with a table lamp, a few stacked books, and small sculptural decor so it feels curated but not cluttered. And add an abstract wall art that gives a focal point and doesn't compete with the rest of the space. Beside it, place an open shelving unit with a black metal frame and wood shelves where you can display not-in-use pillows and blankets to add both storage and visual layering. Complete the look with full-height curtains in soft, neutral tones to frame the windows, soften natural light, and make the entire seating area feel more finished and cohesive. Now, move to your entertainment area. Transform the fireplace wall by adding an accent finish, such as a textured panel with integrated LED lighting. Mount your TV at the center so it aligns with the focal wall and keeps the layout clean. To maximize vertical space, include wall-mounted shelving where you can display decors while adding depth and personality. Then install matching wall sconces on both sides to frame the entire feature wall and add a warm ambient glow. On the adjacent wall, hang a pair of large abstract artworks in neutral tones with black accents, and add a slim picture light above to highlight the pieces and elevate the overall look. With these changes, your living area now feels structured, visually balanced, and fully functional, turning an empty open space into a well-defined and comfortable living environment. The total estimated cost for this setup is around $2,900 to $3,600, and you can find similar furniture pieces in the product tags below for easy reference. Your dining area feels like an open extension of the living space. No furnitures, has large windows and a nearby barn door, making it feel undefined and without a clear purpose. To improve this, you need to clearly define the space while keeping it open and easy to move around. Start by keeping the wall clean and neutral so the space stays light and visually open. Instead of adding heavy wall treatments, rely on furniture, lighting, and styling to define the dining area. Place your dining table where it allows smooth circulation around it so your space stays functional. Add a simple centerpiece like a vase with greenery to bring life and create a subtle focal point. Pair it with upholstered curved-back dining chairs that are comfortable but visually light so the area doesn't feel crowded. Under it, add a large neutral-toned rug to visually anchor the dining area and clearly separate it from the surrounding space. On the side, place a tall open shelving unit in wood with an integrated vertical light. Then style it with simple decor like vases, books, and small objects to add warmth, soft lighting, and visual interest. These small details help soften the space and make it more inviting. Frame the area with full-height curtains in soft, neutral tones to soften natural light and make the dining setup feel more finished and cohesive. With this setup, your dining area feels more defined, more efficient, and naturally connected to your overall layout. The total estimated cost for this setup is around $950 to $1,300, and you can find similar furniture pieces in the product tags below for easy reference. The goal is to create a well-layered bedroom that feels balanced, refined, and visually complete. Start with your wall accent. Use a combination of a warm accent panel and light marble-like panels to create depth and frame the bed without overwhelming the space. Next, place a low platform bed in a soft, neutral upholstery so it feels grounded and comfortable. Layer it with bedding in warm and neutral tones, then add multiple pillows in different sizes and textures to create a fuller and more inviting look. Underneath, add a large neutral rug to anchor the bed and make the space feel softer and more defined. On both sides, place matching wooden nightstands to keep the layout balanced. Style each nightstand with simple decor like a table lamp, vase, and books so it feels functional but not cluttered. Above the headboard, install slim floating shelves with integrated strip lighting. Then add minimal decor like vases, few books, and small artwork to create a subtle focal point with ambient lighting. Add a medium indoor plant on one side to bring in a natural element and soften the overall look. Across the room, place a wooden console table where you can layer decor like a table lamp for soft ambient lighting, a stack of books for added height, and a few sculptural pieces to create a clean yet styled surface while keeping everyday items within reach. Above it, hang a large abstract artwork in neutral tones to add height and visual interest. Frame the space with full-height curtains in soft, neutral colors to soften natural light and make the room feel more finished. Then complete the setup with your entertainment area. Keep the wall clean and balanced by mounting a TV at a comfortable viewing height. Below it, add a slim floating console, a mix of wood and light finish to provide storage without taking up floor space. Style the console with minimal decor like a small plant, books, or sculptural pieces so it feels clean but not empty. With these changes, your bedroom becomes more cohesive, more comfortable, and visually refined for everyday living. The total estimated cost for this setup is around $1,800 to $2,400, and you can find similar furniture pieces in the product tags below for easy reference. Now, your home doesn't just look better, it works better for your daily life. Every area feels connected, every piece has a purpose, and your space becomes easier and more comfortable to use. When your layout is clear and your choices are intentional, your home naturally feels more complete and balanced. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.